Chief Minister Nongthaman Biren assures KSA of translating their demands into action within 3 months. Kamchan, MLAs Radhakishore, Dr. Ranjan and Dingo pledged to donate their eyes. Lawyers asked to join verification of genuine lawyers in Manipur under the direction of Bar Council of India. In a shocking incident, a man attempted to rape and strangle a minor girl in Thoubal, accused absconding. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Kanguzam Shalira with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Chief Minister Nongthaman Biren has assured the leaders of KSA of translating their demands into action within 3 months. Talks were held between the government and the representatives of Kangleipak Student Association from 3 this afternoon at the Chief Minister's Secretariat to discuss the demands of the KSA. Regarding the demand for reservation of seats of indigenous people in 8 assembly constituencies, the Chief Minister told the student body that a meeting of all political parties will be convened to discuss the matter and the KSA will be then invited to talks. The Chief Minister also said that the DC's concerned will be directed to identify the outsiders who were listed in the electoral roll and submit a report within 3 months to the government. The KSA volunteers who were arrested in connection with the agitation will be released unconditionally. Education Minister Thokchom Radisham, CAF and PD Minister Karam Shyam and DGP LM Kauti were also present during the talk. It may be recalled that first talks between the KSA and Manipur government were held on the 23rd of this month. The talks are being resumed after the Chief Minister returned to Imphal. Speaker Yumnam Kemchand and 3 MLAs today pledged to donate their eyes on the first day of the eye donation campaign fortnight. The campaign, which is being held across the country from August 25 to 8 September, was inaugurated today at Iboyama Sumangklila Sangkland. The event was organized by Shamdrusti Shamata Vikas Evam Anushandant Mandan under the sponsorship of Cornea Andhav Mukta Bharat Abhiyan Kamba. Speaker Y. Kemchand, Oinam MLA L. Radhakishore, Konthausam MLA Sapam Ranjan and Sekmai MLA H. Dingo took the pledge to donate their eyes and signed the forms at the launch of the campaign. The campaign is being held to raise awareness among the people to help change someone's life by pledging one's eyes for donation and educate the people about preventing blindness in the country. Speaking at the campaign, the speaker states that people need to pledge their eyes for donation after death to give sight to the people who are unable to see.
Aduna isorda piliba prakritiki phajaba mayam asi uba phangdana sakhini khaluraganda gasi eye donation campaign asida ai amadi ami naviriba koi MLA koi mari mak eye donation tobogi form da soi tawraga leijare miyoi bukudima aina leitraganda pigato port samaj ki khudon mani khalaganda ai koi khudimangna asi eye donation si tobong to.
Art and Culture Minister L. Jayantakumar today emphasized the need to promote the cultural relationship between Manipur and Tripura. The state god will provide rupees 1.5 lakhs every year for Lai Harauba celebration of Ibudau Putiva in Tripura. Minister Jayantakumar today said the government will sanction rupees 1.5 lakh for the purpose. Speaking to media person at his office chamber in Old Secretariat about his first visit to Tripura after he became the Arts and Culture Minister to attend the Tripura Manipur socio-cultural meet, Jayantakumar said Manipur and Tripura had maintained a close relation since they were princely states. He expressed his happiness at finding photographs of Manipuri princes and various items used by them at Tripura Museum. He said he will consult with the Chief Minister to build a guest house at Ibudo Putiba Shrine in Tripura in near future. Jayantakumar also said a statue of Major Chongthamia, who played a major role in Khongzom War, will be installed at the place where he breathed his last.
Sida Ibudo Putiba guest house ama sabadi yaina na haibagi madugi pot to madi ai thamjaramge adaga madudi ai to aseng bagi saba madugi dream to have our own state guest house madu lainaba honaba na haibadudi madudi ai honorable chief minister ke tanadragadi asidi to yamna moin pame multi story building two story building 3 story building haibadudi pasai am changdo wina arts and culture kaktan ngamda banina siam tanagi that my tam pautam tiram.
Consumers Club Manipur today celebrated its 26th Foundation Day at Lamyamba Sangland at Palace Compound. Speaking as Chief Guest Speaker, Yumnam Khamchand appealed to the Consumers Club Manipur to work in the interest of the consumers. He expressed his concern that the Consumers Club, which was once very active, has become too weak. He maintained that the club need to be strengthened. President of Consumers Club, T. Fulchand Sharma, and many others also took part in the program. One-day consumer awareness program was also held as a part of the Foundation Day.
Manipur ki vote ki pattern se vote characteristics ina shasan tor sarkar se manina vote thada ki sana bisrida vote le pasik sigi qualification se sen bible o ki basi this is very unfortunate adi asu crore kya sanaga vote karaga ek karam doi ko padu mana khalam doi se hanjabda paisa hanjana khalam do mal isagi responsibility lema ki responsibility na daba isagi responsibility mo this is very unfortunate.
Northeast Observer of Shiv Sena Dilip Panikkar will be visiting Manipur on August 28 to ensure good performance of the party in the upcoming Panchayat elections. Shiv Sena Manipur State in a press release said the party supports the movement of the JCILPs to protect the indigenous people of the state. Lawyers in the state have been asked to join the verification of genuine lawyers under the direction of Bar Council of India. High Court Bar Council of Manipur claimed that 75% of verification of lawyers to identify the fake ones under the directive of the Bar Council of India have been completed. Addressing media person at Manipur High Court Complex, Chairman of the Executive Committee, Bar Council of Manipur, A. Jagsit said, serious problems were created as there are some lawyers without credentials or with fake documents. The Bar Council of India initiated the campaign to identify the genuine lawyers and to ensure that the lawyers are actually doing their rightful duties. He said verification of documents started in Manipur as part of the campaign, and so far 75% verification has been completed. Jagsit assured that the remaining verification will be completed within a short time and urged the lawyers in Manipur to take part in the verification process.
Maruina Bharat da leiba apunba India da leiba lawyers sigi profession sida marak sarak chain na do tholopa haibidi ukil mayam sigi marak educational qualifications darkar leiba se graduate hoiraga then LLB degree paiga da bani koi requirements mayam koi advocates act pi ri ba poliba mayam sing cha masi supai paidana masana masabu koi ukil ne haidna di lakchalaga adum koi profession da changjalaga ukil sajinna haitare duplicate sumba mayam se ki bharot ki wen yenga ko matam dadi masina yam sawo mines yam sawo problem am thole.
In a shocking incident of crime against a minor girl, a man allegedly attempted to rape and strangled a minor girl in Thawal. The accused is absconding. The culprit tried to rape and kill the 14-year-old girl in a place in Thawal district this afternoon. The irate people of the locality demolished the house of the accused. The person involved in the crime is identified as Naure Mani, 39 years, son of Lev and Nimai. According to sources, Mani is originally from Tuangjing Hodamba, but has been staying with his mother at his mother's parental house along with his mother since his childhood. However, his mother left to live at his father's place, but Mani continued to live at his mother's parental house. The man allegedly entered the girl's room late this afternoon and tried to strangle her. People rushed after the girl screamed for help. However, the culprit managed to escape. A meeting of the club members of the locality asked people not to provide shelter and to ban the sale and use of intoxicants. A case also will be registered at Thawal police station. The list of beneficiaries under Indira Gandhi National Old Age Pension Scheme, Indira Gandhi National Widow Pension Scheme, Indira Gandhi National Disability Scheme and Manipur Old Age Pension Scheme can be seen on the website of the Social Welfare Department, www.socialwelfaremanipur.nic.in. Director of Social Welfare Jacinta Lazarus in a notification said the last of any complaints will be August 31. Registrar Manipur University in a notification said the last date of the issue and submission of application forms for admission to B.Ed programs has been extended till August 28. Deputy Accountant General ANE Manipur Pankaj Verma in a press release said the time limit prescribed to authorize pensionary benefits and provident fund dues is within 2 months from the date of receipt of the cases complete in all respects. The release further said there is no requirement to contact any staff for settlement of cases at any point of time. If any staff of this office demands any bribe to settle the case, people are asked to bring the matter to the Deputy Accountant General ANE. His contact number is 0385 244 2340 and email ID is burmap@cag.government.in. Moirangtem Premier, who bagged the International Excellence Award for Service to Disabilities, was facilitated by Department of Community Medicine's RIMS. Premier is the multitasking staff of the department. Professor N.I. Singh, Professor T. Gambhir and Dr. Brogant, acquiescent were among those present. People have been allegedly removing plants from the Haingang Hill lot in Haingang and Kaireng Muslim villages under Haingang Reserve Forest for the last 3 months. Speaking to media person at Manipur Press Club, Chairman of SEB Environment Campaign Committee Haingang, Mutum Inawi said they have written to Forest Minister T.H. Shyamkumar to look into the matter to save the forest 2 months ago, but nothing has been done. He said initially land quarrying was allowed for emergency purposes in situations like flood. He alleged that contractors under the protection of politicians are removing land. Inawi expressed discontent with the silence of Forest and Environment Minister on the matter. He said if the minister does not look into the matter, they will approach the High Court of Manipur. He warned that they will approach the National Green Tribunal NGT.
Sarkarna koina haijaba ji tabiraktrabni na koi da option ji legal gi option natana tai to pa pamai le raktaba aduna koi ji hojik koi khanare koi campaign committee gi executive members sing gi meeting ngarang pangthoe ado koi lemnare koi legal gi mateng lawa appropriate court NGT hoibe ai aduga amna tangai phadana emergency nature case gi nature ji yengbirga khudakta koi gi hojik ji chatharibe excavation gi masigi illegal activities mayam sing lefan na koi high court haijaba haine so koi lemnare.
Students of the Wangu Higher Secondary School in Kakching District held a protest rally against the indifference shown by the department concerned to the repeated request to send adequate number of teachers and provide other requirements to the school. The agitated students coming from the Wangu gathered at Kesampat Junction today and tried to storm the Education Minister's office. However, a police team led by additional SP Priyadashni prevented the students from proceeding further. Later, 5 student representatives were selected to meet the Education Minister. 2 lecturers of the school, which upgraded from high school to higher secondary, are being utilized at Johnston Higher Secondary School, while another lecturer is utilized in another school. The students alleged that the school suffers due to lack of adequate teachers and other requirements. They also said that the Education Department has not responded even after repeated requests to fulfill their demands. Institute of Driver Training and Research Center organized one-day road safety awareness program for students at Ibontosana Higher Secondary School in Uripok today. SP Imphal City Traffic Control Wing, Khoisnam Sarma, Principal of the Ibontosana Higher Secondary School, Joint Director of Transport Department, and OSD in charge BK Sarma and students of the school attended the program. Speaking at the awareness program, Khoisnam Sarma appealed to students to follow traffic rules to avoid accident, keeping in mind the state's traffic volume. VK Sarma spoke on traffic rules and road safety.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯗꯦꯕꯂꯞꯄꯤꯡ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯅꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯂꯛꯏꯕ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇ ꯀꯟꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯛꯁꯟ ꯑꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯔꯣꯗꯁ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯗꯦꯕꯂꯞꯃꯦꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯒꯥꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯆꯤꯟꯕ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯂꯛꯏ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯒꯥꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯆꯤꯟꯒ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯂꯛꯄꯁꯤꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟꯁꯨ ꯃꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯡꯗꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯏ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯐꯤꯛ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁꯀ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯈꯨꯠꯁꯝꯅꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇ ꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯤ ꯑꯦꯋꯦꯌꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯅꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯐꯤꯛ ꯔꯨꯜꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯑꯦꯋꯦꯌꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯐꯤꯛꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯥꯏꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯏꯕꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯅꯦꯜꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯖꯤꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯥꯔꯊ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯑꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯔꯣꯡꯐꯨꯜ ꯄꯥर्किंꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ राइटफुल पार्किंग करीनो गाड़ी से कदाइदा खामगदबनो करम स्पीड थौगदबनो करम नियम फॉलो तौरग थौगदबनो हाइबसे मसे अखोइना ताक्सरिबसिंगसिसु खंगबियु लोइना ट्रैफिक रूल्स सिंगसि फॉलो तौबियु हाइबसे आई हाइजनिंगे
International Association of Lions Club District 322D Lions Club of Kansipur and Naharon Yaipa Thorang Club Okram Chutek jointly organized a free medical camp for flood victims in Kongman Okram Chutek areas under Imphal East today. Doctors at the camp treated various ailments including gynae, skin and eye ailments. Free medicines were also provided to the patients. Manipur State Power Company Limited (MSPCL) in a press release said for maintenance purpose areas under 33 kV from Kongba to Sangaipa Jennings line will not get power supply from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. tomorrow. Now news from the world of sports. ABA Kretagaut and Nesu Kurai were drawn 1-1 in the Moirang Themt Ibobi Memorial First Division Football League Tournament today. In the 27th league match of the tournament played at ABA Playground in Kretagau, both the ABA Kretagau and Nesu Kurai did not score in the first half of the match. While in the second half, ABA Kretagau's Arshad Khan netted a goal in the 46th minute, while Nesu's Kurai Y. David also netted a goal in the 47th minute to end the match in a draw. 8 teams are participating in First Division Football League tournament organized under the aegis of the Imphal East District Football Association. The third Bishnupur district-level Wushu Championship organized by Wushu Training School Nacho under the aegis of Manipur District Wushu Association kicked off at Nacho Bazaar Community Hall today. Altogether, 124 players from Bishnupur district are participating in 6 different weight categories. Speaking on the occasion, Asian silver medalist O. Ronald asked the players to strive for the best. Gopaldet Kangkut Team 8 School dropped Thangmaiban Kangkut 17-8 in the 16th league match of the second Sri Sri Gopaldet League Cum Knockout Kang tournament for 55 to 60 years today. The tournament, which kicked off on the 7th of this month, is organized by Sri Sri Gopaldet Kangkut. 6 teams are taking part in the tournament. Teka Kangkut Pishunt will meet Thangmaiban Kangkut in the first semi-final on the 30th of this month, and Gopaldet Kangkut Team B Yai School will meet IWKK Uchekon on the 31st in the second semi-final match. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren assures KSA of translating their demands into action within 3 months. Speaker Yumnam Khamchand, MLAs Radhakishore, Dr. Ranjan and Dingo pledged to donate their eyes. Lawyers asked to join verification of joining lawyers in Manipur under the direction of Bar Council of India. In a shocking incident, a man attempted to rape and strangle a minor girl in Thobal, accused absconding.